Hello guys, Ancient Gameplays, I'm Fabio Pisco, and today I'm happy to bring you a new video. Really happy! Anyway, the video of today is a review of the headset Thunder X3 AH7 Glow, which was sent to me by biomag, so thanks a lot. Biomag is the company that owns, for example, Thunder X3, Mars Gaming, and also, for example, the Aerocool company. They own these companies, I think. So biomag sent me these products, and they've sent me before the Aerocool Quartz RGB, which is here, the review if you want to see. And all to say, a big thank you for sending me these products, because this video wouldn't be possible without biomag and Francisco, so thanks a lot. But don't forget, even with someone sending me products, I will always be 100% unbiased. Always unbiased, so I'll be neutral. I'll say if the product is good, I'll say it is good. If the product is not so good or even bad, I'll say it is bad. So 100% neutral or unbiased. I know they sent me the products, but I'm here to do a neutral review and a really, or at least I try to make a really good review without pending to one side or another. So that's me. Well, that's it. Leave a like, comment, share the video if you can, because that's very important. And well, let's go to the part that you really want to see, the review. See you in the resume with my opinion. So as you see, this is the box of Thunder X3 AH7 Glow. The box is pretty sturdy and it feels quite good, it's well made. So in the side we have the specifications, of course, lots of them. Lots, in fact, the drivers, the foam, etc. And on the back we have more specifications and in several languages. Let's now open the box. Okay, now taking off the headset. Oops. Oh, okay. Another thing in the ground. Fuck it. Anyway, oh, and another thing going to fall. This is not easy. Anyway, this little bag contains the instructions, the manual, and the detachable microphone which you can connect to your headset. Speaking of connections, this headset uses two 3.5mm jacks, one for audio and another for the microphone, obviously, and one USB connection to power the LEDs. It also features an inline remote control, where you can adjust the audio volume and mute the microphone if needed. As for the specs, this is an over-ear headset, which means that unless you have really big ears, not judging of course, it will surround your ears completely while feeling also more comfortable because of that and the synthetic leather and foam. It also features an omnidirectional noise-cancelling microphone that we will talk about later. The price is also not high at all, being around 40 euros in Portugal and being now at $35 on Newegg USA. Now, speaking of one, if not the most important thing on budget gaming headsets, the comfort. As I said before, the cushions are made of synthetic leather and foam, but they feel really good and they don't hurt at all even after a few hours of gaming. The headband has no number regulation for its height, instead it adjusts itself when you put the headset. Basically, you won't have, being your head bigger or smaller, any kind of problem. It also has a decent tightening strength. It may not be so good for sound isolation, of course, but after some time the higher tightening strength headsets may feel like they are squeezing your head. But gladly, this is not the case. Now on the audio part. It is always hard, if not impossible, to show the audio quality on video, so all I can say is my opinion. The audio, considering the price tag, is not that good. But well, I guess we can't have it all on a low price tag. Still, I discovered that the headset audio is not that bad. It just comes terribly equalized, and sadly, Thunder X3 equalizing software only works for the RGB version of this headset. A complete nonsense, in my opinion. But well, I managed to get a way better sound, and when I say better, I say like 3 times better. This using a free software called Voicemeeter Banana, which I didn't know before this. It happens, it is a pretty cool software and made me actually enjoy the headset. I just selected the headphones on the software, left-clicked on the HQ button to activate the equalizer and right-clicked to open the same equalizer. I am no audio engineer and I'm not even good at audio equalizing, but at least for my ears, this was a godsend, since the middle frequencies are really aggressive on this headset. The same process was done to the microphone, which, hands down, is the worst part of this headset. Let me show you how the microphone sounds without any kind of equalization. And well, this is it. This is the default out-of-the-box sound of the microphone. As you can see, it sounds pretty bad, even for a low-end headset like this one, but the sound can be equalized to be a bit better. Let's hear it. And well, this is how the microphone sounds after being equalized. The volume is a bit higher, the sound is way more clear. Okay, we still have some static in the bottom of the sound per se, in the back of the voice, but the static is clear once I stop talking, so I'll show you now. So as you can see, when I stop talking, the static goes away, which is awesome if you have an open mic on a game session, for example. But the voice is way better now, and with more bass and more depth than before. Let's move to the next phase. As you heard, the microphone quality can be improved a little. Nothing astonishing though, but the sound is cleaner and with more depth. And of course, by using the setting gates at 1.0, so 1.0, you can actually make the static noise go away once you stop talking, even on an open mic, which is excellent gaming-wise. Now, these are my selected pros and cons, being the best points the comfort and the outstanding price on Newegg, while the worst one is hands down the microphone quality. Concluding, guys. Is the headset worth or not? Well, in my opinion, it depends. It depends in what you look. So for example, let's say, if you look into more comfort than audio quality, for example, if you look into comfort, this is the headset for you, because in this price tag, the headsets of the other brands and most of the headsets of other brands don't have this kind of comfort, and really, I am kind of a freak of comfort, so I can wear these headsets for quite some hours without anything hurting, and I've tested some headsets of the price tag, for example, let's say $40, $50, and most of them are not as comfortable as this one. So yeah, if you look into comfort and style, of course, style also matters nowadays, anyway, if you look into comfort and style and a sturdy headset, this is the headset for you, of course. If you look more into audio quality, well, then you have other options. You have other options that maybe don't have such comfort, but will have a better audio quality and a better microphone quality mostly. But well, a question that most of you must be thinking, is the headset really that bad? Well, no, the headset is not that bad. Out of the box, the audio quality and mostly the microphone quality are pretty bad. Mostly the microphone, the audio is acceptable, but still quite bad for this price tag of, let's say, $60 for example, or 40 euros. It's quite bad. But the thing is that after equalization you can get pretty decent to good audio quality, and well, the microphone will not sound as bad at least, and you'll have that option to at least don't hear the static while having an open mic, which is pretty good. So if you are willing to equalize the headset, well, it is a good headset to buy, since it is really comfortable and the sound will be quite better. If you are not willing to do this, and if you are just going to use it out of the box and don't mess with it anymore, well, then I have to say you have better options at this price tag, of course. But yeah, one more time, it comes to what you want and to what you search and to what you can pay, of course. But this headset, after being equalized, it is pretty decent. I have to say it is pretty decent, and I do like the comfort of this headset. So, like I said, I'm a comfort freak and I do like the comfort. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you really enjoyed the video, hope you enjoyed the review and how the review was done. Leave a comment on the comment section if you think something is missing, for example, or if you think I can improve some part or other. I'm really open to constructive criticism, so I'm here for you guys. Leave a comment on the comment section. One more time, thanks Francisco and thanks Biomag for sending me this product. I really appreciate. And well, that's it for today. See you in the next video.